Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create sleek uh, social media post that looks like garbage. Like from this post, I created this post on the same prompt and with inspirations. So this is the differences that you need to know, that how far we have come with the AI race, and these models are working superb. So I just uploaded my logo, my company logo, and I am just hiring a new team member for my agency. So I suggested ChatGPT to build a, uh social media post, hiring post based on the information it has. After that, it like generate this garbage, and people can see this from miles away. These are AI generated, and they don't like this kind of images anymore because like the social medias, YouTube, everywhere, everything is flooded with AI generated content. But then I give it real inspirations. Like I give it inspirations, and just a simple prompt that I want the background color to be either white or off white, and I want a very sleek and minimalist design, maybe with a chair in the middle. And I have just shared the two inspirations, and just look at these. And let me just do a final update here, as the design is perfect. Just look at the design. This kind of design used to be like take 5 to 6 hours, because you look at all the elements, the shadows, these are super picture perfect, and I don't need anything more than that. And it actually have all the brand contents and images that I prefer. The color is perfect, aligned with my brand, and everything is superb. And that is how you can actually generate like powerful social media post with Gemini, GPT, anything you have. You can just start, and these are even free models. These are not paid versions. These are just free versions that I'm using. So this is the final versions. Just look at that. Everything is updated. My email, my WhatsApp number, everything is updated here, and voila. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned.